Hi, in front of me is HTC 12 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply colorful edges on this device. Firstly, open Play Store. Then type edges. And download this app from this developer. Now open it. And tap on one of these themes, for example that one. Name it, click OK Creative, and close an ad. Over here you can customize your edges. For example, you can change run style, add pattern, choose animation speed, border size, and many other things. When you're done but you want to leave your current wallpaper, go into Photo or Wallpaper, choose a photo, adjust it, and tap at the top right corner. Then click Create. Now tap on the theme that we created and choose Enable Wallpaper. Then Apply. As you can see, my edges were successfully applied, but if you wanna see them when you use apps, go back to the app, choose Home, scroll all the way down and tap on the switcher next to Enable Overlay Other App. Click Yes, tap on the switcher again, go back and tap on the switcher one more time. As you can see, now I can see my edges all the time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!